Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Sequencing.com offers a comprehensive suite of DNA analysis tools and reports, providing insights into your genetic makeup and its potential impact on your health, wellness, and ancestry. The platform boasts a vast library of apps designed to interpret raw DNA data from various providers, including AncestryDNA, 23andMe, and MyHeritage. This allows users to explore a wide range of genetic information, from predisposition to specific health conditions to personalized fitness and nutrition recommendations. A standout feature of Sequencing.com is its focus on privacy and data security. They emphasize user ownership and control over their genetic data, employing robust security measures to protect sensitive information. This commitment to data privacy sets them apart in the field of genomic analysis. Beyond individual exploration, Sequencing.com provides tools for healthcare professionals, offering clinical-grade reports and analysis options. This empowers practitioners to incorporate genomic information into patient care, facilitating more personalized and targeted treatment strategies. Whether you're interested in uncovering your ancestral roots, understanding your genetic predispositions to certain health conditions, or optimizing your wellness through personalized insights, Sequencing.com offers a wealth of resources. Their extensive app library and user-friendly interface make navigating complex genomic data accessible and engaging. Furthermore, their dedication to data security and privacy ensures users can confidently explore their genetic information knowing their privacy is protected. Their commitment to both individual users and healthcare providers highlights their comprehensive approach to genomic analysis and its potential applications for personalized health and wellness. With a platform designed for continuous updates and expansion, Sequencing.com remains at the forefront of genomic discovery, offering a valuable resource for anyone interested in unlocking the secrets of their DNA. Explore the power of your genome with Sequencing.com.